Hi everybody, my name is Emily. I'm a chiropractic assistant here at Tilson Chiropractic, and today I'm being joined by two of my wonderful patients, Ron and Diane. Now, you guys have been with us for a couple of months now. How has everything been feeling?
Much better.
Much better.
Much better.
Good. So Ron here went through our 90-day neuropathy program.
Right.
You want to talk a little bit about the symptoms that you were suffering from before finding our program?
Certainly, the biggest problems I had was my toes were tingling and burning, and it would wake me up at night. Sometimes I couldn't really get to sleep.
Okay.
And about the only thing I could do would be take some kind of pain medication to alleviate that.
That would give you that temporary pain relief, and then
Yeah.
you'd kind of wake up with it a little bit later again?
Right.
Okay.
Right.
How was that affecting your daily activities?
In several different ways. I wasn't really doing any walking to any great degree because it would be uncomfortable.
Yeah.
And it's started to take effect pretty quickly after it started.
Yeah. Now, I know that when you two signed on for the program, you were both a little hesitant about it. You had some reservations towards the program since you kind of really hadn't heard anything about this treatment or anything like that. What was like the solid point that kind of sold you on the entire thing?
To some degree for me it was desperation,
Okay.
because it didn't matter if I went to who was managing my diabetes or to a podiatrist.
Yeah.
It's like, well, this is an area of, well, you got neuropathy. That's about it. That's all they would do for you. They didn't do anything at all. So I got to the point where it's like, if this works, it's worth the investment of time and money.
Yeah.
And I found that to be very true.
Good. I'm glad to hear that.
Yeah.
And Diane, how has the neuropathy affected you?
Oh goodness, he's a much happier person.
Oh, good.
He doesn't have nearly the complaints about his feet as
Oh.
he did before.
Yeah, that's awesome.
It is.
And I think you guys had mentioned before you're going on some more walks together in the
Going on
afternoons,
walks.
and
Yep.
that is just
Walking
fantastic.
with our dog, Jack,
Yes.
and having a good time. We're going on vacation finally after 5 years.
Oh my
And
goodness.
so we can go to parks and zoos and gardens and walk around.
Wow.
I had a problem with my sciatica and wouldn't allow me to walk.
Yeah. And
And I found out about this high intensity laser treatments, and I thought, well, nobody else has told me anything about it. I don't know if it'll work or not.
yeah,
And Ron convinced me to try it.
it's always worth
And
a shot.
within a short period of time, my sciatica didn't hurt anymore, and I am now able to walk normally,
Oh my goodness.
which I am very grateful for.
Yeah.
And I had also had pain down my leg from my sciatica. That is now gone.
Awesome.
So I can't thank you enough
Oh.
for giving me back my life.
I would say that the very first session that Diane went through took her from tears to a smile.
Yeah.
Literally in one session.
Yeah, I do
So,
remember that one.
Yeah, I do too.
That was an amazing day. We were all
A true
ecstatic
blessing.
here in the office just to
true
help you
blessing.
out and get you some relief, because
Yes.
you had been suffering with that for
For
quite a
years.
while. Yeah.
For years,
And you
yes.
hadn't found anybody.
And so we couldn't do anything, go anywhere,
yeah.
enjoy the outdoors, nothing.
She was
Right.
contemplating surgery,
Yes.
Oh, my.
Yes.
and that's completely
That's the
changed.
only alternatives that doctors gave me.
Wow.
Yeah.
Never mentioned laser at all. Never.
And now you don't have to deal with that long recovery time
No.
or the medications
No.
or anything like that.
No,
So that's
nothing.
wonderful.
Yes.
Right.
And you guys can jump right back into normal
Yes.
life.
Very grateful for Dr.
Yeah.
Tilson. Yes.
Awesome. Do you guys recommend our programs to friends and family?
Without a doubt.
And we have already done so.
Yes,
Oh,
we have.
wonderful.
Mhm.
We've
That
already
is
done
awesome
so.
to hear.
It's a message that you don't hear much
Yeah.
about this application of technology doing something for your body that really you can scale it. You can just realize how much difference there is.
Improve your quality of life.
Oh my goodness, yes.
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 Oh, yes. And in the neuropathy program, it's multifaceted. It's the laser, but it's also dietetic change, which is probably my most difficult thing. And because I love to eat.
Oh yeah.
But it was all of the different things coming together seemed to help a great deal.
Yeah.
Yep.
That is awesome. Well, thank you guys so much for joining me today and sharing your results.
Thank you.
You guys have been wonderful patients, and we look forward to continuing to take care of you guys.
Thank